Hi everyone, how are you doing in the new normal we find ourselves in? You can see I still haven't ventured out. My hair is really getting long, but I've decided just to go for it and see how long I can get it. When else do we have an opportunity to grow our hair and have the perfect excuse for why our hair is a little bit out of control? Today I'm going to teach you a new waltz, and this waltz has a personal story to it. It was written by one of my online students, Rita Smith. She's pretty talented, and tunes just flow out of her, and she writes them down, and she's fortunate enough to play with a band who can play her songs for her and with her. Her band is called the Oyster Crackers. They're fantastically entertaining and good. But this tune is called the Ukiah Ranch Waltz. This waltz was written in October of 2019. I came to know this waltz when I was up in the area where Rita lives, and I was doing a vibrato workshop, and I had the opportunity to play this waltz with Rita and her band. And so I put in a twin fiddle part, a second fiddle, and that's what I played with Rita and her band. And I just fell in love with the tune. I love it because it's natural. Your ear kind of knows where it's going, although there are some surprises. It's simple, it's flowing, it's lovely, and with the harmony part, I think you'll enjoy it. The other reason I love this is because it's accessible to players of every level. If you're an advanced player, then add some vibrato, add some slurs, do some advanced stuff with it. If you're a beginner, you will be able to, with a little work, you'll be able to learn this, and you'll probably learn some new skills in learning this waltz. Those of you who already can read music, or if you're on a high beginner or a intermediate level of playing, you can totally skip these tutorials where I'm teaching you note by note and just skip to the play-alongs where you'll be able to learn this waltz and incorporate it into your repertoire. So first, this video, I'm going to teach you the violin 1 part, and I'll do another video where I'll teach you the violin 2 part, and then we'll put it together. All right? Why don't I go ahead and play it for you? I'll just play fiddle 1 so that you get it in your ear, and then we'll learn it. Okay, here we go. Not even going to do the repeats. It takes too much time. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Second ending, B. 2. Then it goes back to the beginning and plays the A part one more time. All right, let's learn it. So it starts with a pickup, and here's how it starts. And I would encourage you to use 4th finger because it's good for you. Not because open E is bad, but because it's really good to develop your 4th finger. So watch again. 3, 4, 3, 1. Can you try that much with me? 1, 2, 3, ready, up bow. Okay, rewind that as necessary. And then, so the next note is going to be a down bow. Even though it's a pickup, it works out in the end. So this is the last note of bar 4 is a down bow, and it goes like this. Let me play it one more time. This is the last note of bar 4, down bow. Up. Try with me. First finger B on a down bow. Ready, go. Okay, and then proceeding onwards, it's just like the first 4 bars. It goes like this. Exactly like bars 1 through 4. Play it with me with an up bow pickup. Ready, go. A. 3, 4, 3, 1. And then we have the final ending measures, which go like this. On a down bow. It's almost like a melody you know already, but it's not. That's what I like about this waltz. It feels familiar. This is the last note of bar 12. It's a down bow. Okay, try with me. Ready, go. Two, three, ready, repeat. And then you play those 8 bars again. So let's repeat and play all 8 bars without me stopping with the pickup. Ready, go. And this would be the second ending. And the second ending is exactly the same as the first ending. It just has a different pickup because it's a pickup to the B part. The B part is my favorite part because it's expansive and it sounds like French horns should be playing it. It's just cool. Here's how it goes. Up, down. Let's learn that much with an up bow pickup. Ready, set, go. 1, 2. And I've put some bowings in here just to help you manage your bow distribution so you don't get trapped at the frog or stuck at the tip. So observe the bowings, but they're not required. Let's play those 4 bars again, and this time maybe pay attention to the bowings and see what you want to do. Starts with a pickup to bar 19. Ready, go. 1, 2. Up, up, down. Okay, and then we proceed. Pick up to bar 27, goes like this. That's the surprising part. That threw my ear, but now I know the song, so I expect it. But I bet it's surprising to you. Okay, let's learn that. It starts with an up bow pickup. Ready, go. Got it? You ready to learn the ending, the last 4 bars? learn that. It's an A, B, D, D, C sharp, D. Try it. Ready, go. And then we have actually a little C part that is also 8 bars. And it's also gorgeous. I'll teach you that in a second. First, I want to repeat 8 bars of the B part, just to give you, to glue it together. Okay, so we have this so far. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, try it with me, slower. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ready, and then the C part begins there. So let's learn it. So the C part also has a pickup, and it goes like this. So there's some slurs. They're not required, but they're nice if you can do them. Listen again. Slur. 4, 3, 4, 1, E3. Try it with a pickup, up bow. Ready, go. One more try. Ready, go. Okay, the next note will be a down bow, even though it's a pickup. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Try that with me. Third finger on the A string, down bow. Ready, go. Down, up, down, up, down, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so the first 8 bar, the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The first 8 bars of the C part go like this. Probably the prettiest part. Try that much with me, with an up bow pickup. Ready, go. Okay, this is like an expansive, you get the feeling of this wide open land, wide open spaces. This waltz really captures something that feels like a great big open ranch. Okay, the next part goes like this. It'll be an up bow pickup. It's a little bit challenging. 8th notes go by fast. Listen again. Try that with me. This is the pickup to bar 43. Ready, go. Okay, and then we do another up bow, and here's the end. It ends the same way as the A part. So play that with me, and then we'll glue it together. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then it goes back da capo al fine, which means go back to the beginning and play till you see the word fine, and then stop. Which means you go back and play the A part once. And then that's how the song ends. But if I were performing this, I'd go over and over and over and over and over, and then finally I'd put my leg up, which would tell my band, okay, this is it, so we'll stop at the fine. It's too enjoyable to only play it once. Okay, so that's the fiddle 1 part. Now, meet me in the next video. I'll teach you the fiddle 2 part, and then I'll give you some play-alongs to help you glue it all together. Okay, I hope you enjoy this waltz as much as I do. See you in the fiddle 2 part.